Well, welcome to my basement for another shipping video, packing and shipping for what's sold on eBay. So today I'm gonna be shipping these Lowenbrau. I don't even know if they make Lowenbrau anymore. Well, I wouldn't know because I don't drink no more. So I probably wouldn't know because I don't go there to find out. But yeah. So if I remember right, I liked it. I think I had it once or twice, but I don't remember. That's too long ago. Anyway, so I think I would assume they're pretty vintage. Probably, maybe 80s or something, So I just wrapped that one in a piece of plastic there around the stem. Put that over it. And then I'm just going to do this for all of them. I'm just going to make that a little bit. See if I can make that go a little. Not so much. Here. I'm going to wrap this. I'm going to bend this thing 4 times. 1, 2. Well, actually, bend it 3 times to make it 4. Make it in quarters. There's 3 folds and a quarter. And a quarter. How's that? 3 folds and a quarter. Okay. 1, 2, 3 folds and a quarter. All right. Can't think of anything to really talk about today. That's a thing. At least I didn't wake up with a headache. That was good. Nor did I go to sleep with a headache. Lot to do today. Gonna run out to the post office and I'm gonna stop at the shop and put some stuff in the window. So there's that. Okay. And a couple of sheets of, let's see. I wonder if, no, it won't work. That won't work that way. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. Let's put that in there then. Fold this over like so. Fold it over like so. I wonder if there's a better way to do that. Let's just see. Pop that little thing off there quick. Yeah, I think I like that better. More of a little triangle kind of fold there. Set that out of the way. So there's 1, 2. Fold that over, that. Good. I'm not even looking at the camera to make sure you guys are actually able to see what I'm doing. Alright, so of course, since I'm gonna be out today, you know what I'll probably end up doing is hitting them thrift shops up in Mansfield. I'll probably be tagging those. So just push that down in there. Put that over there. Watch that. That's in 1, 2, 3. There. Because, you know, they're like right next to the post office. The thrift stores are. So I gotta go. I don't have any choice. Just paid off my credit card again this morning, so I'm good there. I pay it off usually about once a week, maybe sooner. Depends on how much I put on it. That goes there. This goes there. So we got those done, man. I suppose I'm gonna use well, I got that part of it done. Use 10 by 6 by 8 here. I think that's probably gonna be the best size for these. I wonder if they'll fit. No, they won't all fit in there. I thought maybe I could put them all in another box before putting them in this one, but I don't have right size. Well, I'd have to. It won't work. It was just a side thing I was thinking. Okay, so rip off some more bubble wrap. This is probably where I could do some larger bubble wrap. I don't really have the space for it right now, so I could probably use some larger bubble wrap for this kind of stuff here to lay in there like that. This little piece of chunky stuff down in there, that down, that down. But then again, I might not, if I had the larger bubble wrap, I might not be able to get everything into this. Might not be able to get everything into this anyway. Yeah, it'll work if I'm careful here. Alright. Have anything thin enough now to go down in there and do a little bit. Maybe I could put some a couple of pieces of this on either side. Just that. sides a little like that. And then I think I'll put some on top too. Probably cut it right there. Now I'm almost out of that. I think that's good. There we go. All y'all. I think we're done. I think it's pretty good. What do you think? All right. Thank you. And thanks for letting me know you wanted more of these videos. All right. Have a great day. I'm out. Bye.